Today, we jumped in our car and headed out to explore Cascada de Mayo, a 25-foot waterfall, not knowing what to expect. On the way to the waterfall, we stopped off at the Plaza Turístico Tropico de Cancer. Located just outside of Santiago on Mexico's Highway 1, and celebrates the northernmost of Earth's 3 important lines of latitude. This monument replaced smaller, less impressive markers that had previously denoted the 23.5 north parallel, and it currently serves as the centerpiece for a tourist attraction. This tourist plaza was inaugurated in 2013. This place is pretty cool. It even has a little place you can pray at. But most importantly, there are restrooms.
Runs right through behind me on the way to the bathroom.
There's a little store to the right that has snack foods, drinks, ice cream, and a few other things. Sitting off an old dirt road that took miles and miles to get to, we started to think that we were going to get murdered. In the middle of nowhere, all of a sudden you get to a dirt parking lot, and you realize there really is a place.
Thirsty boy? That road was rough, so I'm checking my hubcaps because that's one of the rental companies said to make sure we bring back the rental car with the hubcaps on. So I don't know if it's because people steal them or if they just rattle off with these messed up roads. Finally made it. It was a lot further than we thought and a lot of dirt roads, rough dirt roads. Hello.
Once you arrive, you kind of get a Western vibe. There are horses and burros, goats, turtles, birds, and of course, the 25-foot waterfall that you need to hike to. A few minutes into the hike, you'll see a bathroom on the left. The wife passed on the bathroom break.
Gross.
But sometimes when you gotta go, you gotta go. It's more like a shack with a hole. From the smells of it, I'm sure it doesn't get serviced often. It's about a half-mile hike there and back, but the trek is worth it. The trail is very steep at times. You'll want a pair of sneakers or hiking boots. We did it in flip-flops, which wasn't a good idea.
That's a big lizard. "10-minute hike. I'd recommend wearing shoes because with sandals, the terrain's really rugged. I think that person just jumped off.
Being summer months and very hot, I was very surprised to see water flowing. Once you get in, the water is refreshing. And I actually saw fish swimming around. Not too sure how they got there, but the experience was neat.
Feels so good. Oh, I'm gonna swim over to the waterfall.
We probably chilled for like 10 minutes, and then it was time to leave.
Just dipped in, and now we're heading out. Whew. Flip-flops. No bueno. All right. Can't wait to get to the AC car. Get out of here.